What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I'm going to show you a cool little customization for the S Pen. Now, many of us know that Androids, they have a lot of customizations that you can do, especially Samsung's. And then when you include the things that you can do with the S Pen, it's just the world is yours pretty much. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my S Pen and listen to the sound.
Really? Can't you just use your finger?
Okay, and then when I place the S Pen back in the device, all right, it's just a quick sound. You could do this as well. So I can use an audio recording for both sounds if I wanted to. Let me show you how to get there. What you're going to want to do is go to the app called Pentastic. I have it down in my tools, but just make sure you either download it if it's not already installed on the device. Once you go into Pentastic, you see a few things that you can do. Air commands, pointers, but that's not what we're going to do today. Today, I want to specifically stay on the sound portion of Pentastic. Now, this is not just for the S24 Ultra. This is for any of the S line devices that have the S Pen. So when you go down to the sound portion of Pentastic, you'll notice that it has the default sound, it has basic, a heart, all of these little icons have different sounds with them. And I believe they have different sounds when you remove and replace the S Pen back in. But what I want to do is make your device yours and go to the custom sound. So once you go into the custom sound, you can click on it. And here it has remove sound and it has the insert sound. And as you see here, I have the S Pen take out sound, and I just named it that. And that was just a little voice recording that I did. And then the insert sound is a song that I like. So as you heard, you can make them again both the same sound, or you can have different for both of them, like we have here. So let's say I just wanted to change the insert sound. I don't want it to be this Janet Jackson song anymore. Once you press that, it's going to go into your device's files and pick out all or any audio files that you may have, and you can use that. If you want to do a voice recording, you'll obviously have to record your voice or record whatever sound you're trying to do, and then you can find it on here, whatever you name it, maybe like downloads or whatever. So you'll pick whatever you want to do, and it will be that sound. Now, if there's a certain part of a song or a sound that you're going to want, you may have to have another app so that you can pretty much slice that part of the sound so that you can have it. Like, you may not want the beginning of a song. And so for the Janet Jackson song that I did, I actually had to take another app just to get to, I guess, around that song that was like at the 0.33 mark. So I had to get another app to kind of slice it so I could have it at that part that I want. If you know an easier way, let me know down in the comments, but that's kind of what I did. So I have some music files here. So if I wanted a specific song, I could use any of these. Any of my songs that I have here, I can use that. I can also do anything that I have downloaded. As you see, I have all the songs for on my channel. I can use any of those if I wanted to. Just pick whatever you want and you'll be able to use that. So let's just say, like, let me go back to my download, right? And I'll take one of my songs so that way I can let it go and no copyright things will happen. So I don't know. Let's say, what is this song? So let's say I just want this one. I would select that song and then hit done down at the bottom. So now, as you see, it's no longer the Janet Jackson song. It's one of my songs that I use on the channel. So if I want to use this sound, I'm going to just say use. Let's see how it sounds when I put the S Pen back inside of the device.
Spectacular Gadgets.
So I think that's pretty cool. Again, you can put any sound that you want. It could be you singing, you talking, you recording other sounds, songs, alarms, Anything that you want, you can use for your S Pen sound. Let me know down in the comments, what sound are you going to use? Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.